that's the weird thing about these matters, is that when someone has an accusation, sometimes even if the accusation is false, it will still put a stain on that person. And that I don't feel is right. And that is why I'm not with the believe all victims narrative. I'm with the let's just listen to what people have to say. And then after that, we can make an informed judgment. We have to wait until it's brought into court. We have to wait until it's brought to trial. First off, I want to say that I do not take this topic lightly because it is a sensitive matter. In that clip, I was speaking about the allegations that were made toward Jay-Z about him forcing himself on a younger person back in the year 2000. I did not properly communicate my point of view, and after speaking with both my wife and my sister about this matter, I would like to amend my statement. I believe that everyone who has an accusation or a story that they feel they need to communicate should be listened to. They should be heard. I also believe that we should not rush to judgment concerning those who are accused. To me, this is a personal issue because being a black man, I know that the law is not always on my side. I also have a personal history regarding victims and those who are accused. So I understand how certain people who have been harmed are not often believed. And I also understand how certain individuals who are accused of a crime can be painted as a villain when in fact they are innocent. For example, the Montana Innocence Project states that black individuals are more likely to be wrongfully convicted for forcing themselves onto other individuals or violating other individuals. And history often repeats itself when it comes to black men and false allegations made against them. This does not mean that black individuals or black men are incapable of committing horrible crimes. Furthermore, there are many studies that show that race is a significant factor when it comes to wrongful convictions for crimes. And for black men and boys specifically, we see how history treats us when it comes to being accused of something. And it's not just Emmett Till or the Scottsboro Boys or the Exonerated Five. We can also look to present day, such as the situation with Nicky Ovino. You have Sullivan Walter, Anthony Broadwater, Ronnie Long, John Marks, and Freddie Douglass Jr. I even encourage you all to look into Travis Rudolph's case. And this is not taking up for Jay-Z here at all. I don't know this man. I'm speaking to a larger matter at hand. This is me saying that when we look at situations where black men are being accused of heinous acts, we have to wait until all the facts come out before passing judgment. My heart also goes out to victims of heinous acts. My intention is not to diminish your stories.